Here's the truth about side hustles. 90% of what you see online is either saturated, requires thousands up front, or pays worse than your day job. But the remaining 10%, those actually work. I'm going to show you 5 side hustles that real people are using right now to make anywhere from $200 to $500 extra every single month. These aren't affiliate marketing schemes or drop shipping nonsense. These are legitimate ways to leverage your existing skills and turn them into real money. Number 1 is freelance writing, and it's still one of the highest paying side hustles if you know where to look. The misconception is that you're competing with writers charging $50 per article on content mills. Wrong. There are clients paying $0.50 per word, $1 per word, or even flat rates of $500 to $2,000 for single articles. One writer I know moved from $800 a month to $3,200 a month just by positioning herself as a fintech and personal finance specialist instead of a generalist. Your first step: build a simple portfolio with 3 to 5 of your best pieces. Doesn't matter if they're published or not. And start applying to mid-tier clients on Upwork and directly through company websites. Number 2 is virtual assistant work. This one surprises people because the hourly rate seems low, $15 to $35 an hour, depending on your experience. But here's the advantage. You can easily work 20 hours a week without burning out, because the work is administrative, not creative. You're managing calendars, handling emails, scheduling social media posts, or organizing client databases. The math is simple. 20 hours at $20 an hour is $400 a week, $1,600 a month. That's budget-changing money for most people. To start, you don't need certification. Just create a Fiverr or Upwork profile, highlight any organizational experience you have, and apply to 10 to 15 listings per week. Number 3 is online tutoring, and it pays better than most people realize. If you have expertise in literally any subject, languages, math, test prep, business, coding, you can charge $20 to $60 per hour depending on demand and your credentials. One high school chemistry teacher I spoke with was making $2,000 extra per month, tutoring online for just 12 hours a week. The demand is constant because parents will always pay for education. Platforms like OutSchool, Chegg, and Tutor.com handle the matching, so you're not hunting for students. You just set your availability and teach. If you've got a degree or can demonstrate expertise, you're already qualified. Number 4 is niche content creation. And I'm not talking about becoming a TikTok star. I mean creating educational or entertaining content specifically for a small audience willing to pay. This could be a newsletter, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or a blog in a specific niche like personal finance, fitness, investing for beginners, or hobby-focused content. The money comes from sponsorships, ads, or selling digital products. The advantage? It scales without your time eventually. The disadvantage? It takes 3 to 6 months before you see any real money. One newsletter creator I know has 8,000 subscribers and makes $500 to $1,000 per month just from sponsored posts. That's real passive income potential. Number 5 is digital product sales. Create something once, sell it unlimited times. This could be a course, a template, a Notion dashboard, a Figma design kit, or an ebook. The barrier to entry is low, just your time and skill, and the profit margin is huge because there's no product cost. One creator sold a budgeting template and made $2,400 in the first month. Another sold an email course on personal finance and passive income for $20 and got 85 sales in week 1. You sell through Gumroad, Teachable, or even your own website. The work is upfront, but then you're basically printing money. Now, here's what matters. None of these side hustles will make you money if you don't actually start. Pick one that aligns with your skills right now, not in 6 months, not next year, today. Commit to it for at least 90 days before pivoting. Most people quit after 2 weeks when they haven't made $10,000 yet. These are legitimate money tips and money-making strategies, but they require consistency. Remember, this is educational content about how to save money and build financial freedom, not investment or financial advice. Do your own research and make decisions that match your personal situation. If this video helped you understand how to actually make money online and build real passive income streams, please like it right now and subscribe. I post weekly videos about personal finance, budget tips, investing for beginners, and how to make money without gambling with your future. Let me know in the comments which of these 5 side hustles you're going to start with. I read every comment, and I'd love to hear your plan.